Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the Smart Money Forex Trader guys. Here in this video we'll be discussing what the fair value gap is in the smart money concept guys, the terminology of behind the fair value gap guys. Everything we discuss in this video can be used for currency trading, stock trading, and crypto trading guys. Price action remains fairly consistent across different markets, and the trading plan is a systemic method that takes into considerate multiple trading concepts guys. So guys, what is fair value gap? Fair value gap is a space between the wicks of 3 consecutive candles on the price chart. So when the upper wick of the first candle, which is this one, this is the upper wick of the first candle, and this is the lower wick of the third candle. When the upper wick of the first candle doesn't overlap with the lower wick of the third candle, we mark this area as the fair value gap, regardless of the colors of the candle, be it green or red, which indicates the long position and the short position candles respectively guys. So in this case, as you can see, in this case, here is the first candle, here is the second candle, and here is the third candle. Whenever the upper wick of the first candle does not overlap with the lower wick of the third candle, that space or region is known as FVG, fair value gap. When it comes to the fair value gap, we have some terminologies behind it, which is the sell side imbalance and the buy side imbalance. So guys, here this region is a typical example of a sell side imbalance, which equals the buy side inefficiency. Now, what causes the fair value gap guys? Fair value gap is caused mainly by huge institutional traders like the banks and other huge firms, huge companies who stacks positions with huge amount of cash guys. So in such scenario or in such circumstance, price tends to move faster. Some orders will be left unfilled, meaning that this region of space created, price will tend to go back to such region to refill orders that are yet to be executed guys. Now if we zoom in further in this region, as you can see, here is the first candle, here is the second candle, and here is the third candle, and we know that from definition of the fair value gap, the space between the wicks of the first candle and the third candle is the fair value gap. So it means that this region has orders that are yet to be filled, hence price will tend to move back to this region before heading to the downside. So guys, let's take an example. Okay, using this region guys. So in this kind of scenario, price will tend to move back to this zone. Price will tend to move back to this zone to complete the buy side inefficiency, because there's already a buy side inefficiency. So price will tend to move back to this zone before heading further to the downside guys, before heading further to the downside, such as this. but in this particular example, price couldn't get to this zone. But if we move if we move backwards, we'll see in this particular example, guys, in the 1 hour of this chart of pounds US dollars, as you can see, here is another fair value gap. As you can see, here is a sell side imbalance that caused a buy side inefficiency, a state of buy side inefficiency. So price will tend to go back to this region, which is the region of the fair value gap, before moving downwards to complete this move, guys. As can be seen in this particular instance, guys. As you can see in this particular instance, guys. So having this knowledge of the fair value gap, trading using the smart money concept will be very, very important. Knowing this terminology of the fair value gap, knowing as well as several regions of liquidity, which has been treated in my previous video. So putting into cognizance of the terminology of the fair value gap, it's a key to a successful trading experience as a trader using the smart money concept, guys. More information on this terminology will be discussed in details in more of our incoming videos, guys. So guys, just stay tuned and do not forget to hit the like button, turn up the bell, post notification, the video notifications, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, for more interesting videos such as this, guys. So guys, that will be all for now. Bye for now, guys.